Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 285. We start with this top row. We're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4. 1 here, so 4, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this bottom row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 1, 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.